Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases today we will discuss a very burning issue. The issue is this, that if the assessee shows rental income which is from the rent received by the assessee, and if the revenue finds that if the assessee has shown this income under the head income from house property, the tax effect is more, then the revenue makes every effort to take that income into business income and vice versa. But when this income is to be taken as income from house property or business income, it depends upon the manner in which the assessee is earning this income. So in a case whether the rental income is to be shown as income from house property or business income, this issue has been well taken up by Kolkata ITAT C bench in the case of EMC Projects Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case is reported in 115 ITR Tribunal at page number 24, and the date of the judgment is 20th August 2024. In the present case, the assessment year is 14-15, and when the assessment was going on, the assessee showed the rental income under the head income from house property. The rental income of the assessee was already admitted in the earlier years under the head income from house property, and even in the coming years, next years, the assessee's income from the rental income was accepted as income from house property under section 143 subsection 1. So when the assessment was made by the learned assessing officer, he accepted the version of the assessee that this income is income from house property. But when CIT observed this thing, he was of the opinion that this rental income should be treated as business income. So the CIT did not simply set aside the issue to the assessing officer, but he kept the issue open for adjudication by the assessing officer, meaning thereby that he set aside the earlier order and gave the matter to the assessing officer to pass a fresh order. And the issue was open that he has to examine that whether this income is to be taken as rental income or business income. But the learned assessing officer, since this matter has come from the higher authority, he didn't apply his mind and he straight away took that income under the head income from business income. When this matter was carried to the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer. So the assessee went to the tribunal, and the tribunal said that in the present case, the learned assessing officer did not highlighted any aspect that why the assessing officer is taking this income as business income which was earlier taken as income from house property. The tribunal said that how assessee was earning rental income was not examined by the assessing officer, that whether this income is earned in an organized manner or it was simply earned as an rental income. The tribunal said that the assessing officer should have examined in the present case that whether the assessee is providing some other facilities to the tenants, and the tribunal also upheld that in the present case there was no income into the computation of income of the assessee from any source which was providing some other facilities to the tenants. So when this income was not earned in an organized manner or as a business income, the rental income should not have been treated as business income, and what the earlier order was of the assessing officer was there, that was correct. And the tribunal also said that since in the present case, in the earlier years also, the rental income of the assessee was accepted as income from house property, and in the next years also, the income of the assessee was accepted as income from house property. Whether it was under section 143 subsection 1, it doesn't matter. So the tribunal vacated the findings of the assessing officer that it is the income from business income and it is not the income from house property. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is EMC Projects Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 115 ITR Tribunal at page number 24. The matter has been decided by Honorable ITAT-C bench and the date of the judgment is 20th August 2024. Thank you, friends.